Hello everyone, welcome to Deepti's biology class. We have already completed the excretory system in human being, and let's see the detailed structure of each and every part of this excretory system. So this first diagram we have already studied, right? This is the excretory system, and the second diagram is the detailed structure of kidney, and the third one is the detailed structure of nephron. Right, there are three diagrams which are given here. So what is the need of this particular diagram, three diagram, why it is given together is that to understand how these three things are connected. Now in this diagram we know that there are two kidneys, two ureters, a urinary bladder, and there is a urethra, right? These many structures are there. Now when you look at the second diagram, this particular kidney is in a detailed way given here. That means this is the internal structure of the kidney. Internal structure of the kidney. Now what are the similarities here? You can see there are two set of blood vessels here. One is blue and one is red in color. We know that the blue one is the renal vein and the red one is renal artery. Same you can see here, right? There is a renal artery which is red color tube which brings blood to the kidney. Same way you can see renal vein which takes blood away from the kidney. You have to remember this diagram only, but we are talking about a single kidney in case of this particular diagram. So what about renal artery which brings blood to the kidney, and renal vein takes back blood from the kidney. Now suppose if this is a kidney, I can divide this kidney into two parts. One is outer and another one is the inner part, right? The kidney can be divided into outer and inner part. So that division is termed as cortex and medulla. This much area is termed as, so this entire area, this outer portion is termed as the cortex. This shaded area, green colored shaded area is termed as the cortex. So cortex is the outer area. What about medulla? Medulla is this much. This inner area is termed as the medulla. So what it is made up of? This we can say that the kidney is divided into two parts, which are the cortex, which is outer region, and the medulla, which is the inner region. Now what this medulla is made up of? Medulla has two parts, which are the renal pelvis and renal pyramid. We know that this much is the medulla. This much structure is the medulla. Now this medulla consists of something which is a funnel shaped area. This funnel shaped area is termed as renal pelvis. So what is this much area is termed as? So you can see these yellow colored area is actually the renal pelvis. To this renal pelvis you can see some pyramid shaped structures are there. These structures are termed as renal pyramids. So where the renal pyramids are? Renal pyramids are the extension of this area. What is this area? This area is actually the renal pelvis. Now each pyramid, like this is one pyramid, like that if you take this particular pyramid, you can see each pyramid is made up of some coiled structures. These coiled structures are nothing but nephrons, and each coiled structure look like this diagram. Each such coiled structure. Now you have to remember one thing, each kidney is made up of such millions of nephrons. So you in this particular diagram you can see there is one such coiled diagram here, but you understand there are thousands and thousands of nephrons in each pyramid. So each kidneys are going to have millions of this coiled structure termed as nephron. So how will you connect these three diagrams? This is the complete excretory system. Now if the question is to explain excretory system, you need to draw this particular diagram. Excretory system. Now if the question is to draw or explain the structure of kidney, you no need to make these all things. You have to only make this particular kidney. Now if the question is to draw the diagram of nephron or draw the diagram of excretory unit. Excretory unit is nothing but actually the nephron. Excretory unit is nephron. Excretory system is this entire structure, and this is only the kidney, structure of the kidney. Kidney filters the blood to form urine. Who helps the kidney to filter the urine? Actually, these nephrons. There are millions of nephrons present in each kidney. This structure, right? Nephron helps in the process of filtration of urine from the blood. Now, two diagrams are given here. This both we have just now explained, just for you to revise, we'll see, right? Now, renal artery brings blood to the kidney, renal will take it away from the kidney, and this is the ureter. Where is the ureter here? You can see the ureter. From the kidney there is ureter which arises, right? Same way, here also from the kidney ureter carry the blood, ureter carry the urine which is formed from the blood, right? So what is this medulla? Inner portion, this much inner portion is termed as medulla, and this outer portion, so this much is actually inner portion, right? This much is the inner portion, and apart from medulla, what is there? It outer portion, we call it as cortex. Medulla has renal pelvis, this area. From the renal pelvis there are pyramid shaped structures, we call it as renal pyramid. Each renal pyramid is made up of coiled structure termed as nephron. This is the structure of nephron. Now let's see what is the detailed structure of nephron. This is little complicated when you draw, but once you understand, this will be easy to explain. Now, first thing you have to remember is whatever you have made here in red color, these are actually blood vessels. So whatever we have drawn in red color is blood vessel, and whatever you can see along with these arrow, these all structures are there, these are actually the part of nephron. So indirectly you can say that this structure nephron is surrounded by set of blood vessels, which means this structure is richly supplied with blood, right? Now let's explain this particular structure in the next video, so that it will be a short video or easy for you to understand. Thank you so much for watching.